Today, I went deep into e-commerce migrations, and what I found was pretty shocking. If you have ever wondered why e-commerce brands lose visibility, ranking, and revenue after they have migrated from one platform to another, this will surprise you. Most migrations fail for one reason and one reason only. They are treated like a technology project instead of a business transformation. But there are 4 systems that determine if your platform migration creates growth or kills momentum. Stick with me because at the end of this video, I am going to show you how to plan for your platform migration. The first system is platform alignment. You have to choose the right platform because most businesses either choose the wrong platform because a developer or a tech lead loves a specific functionality and does not pay attention to all the other business actions that need to be taken, or the operations and the marketing team have no idea on how the real-world problems translate to platform solutions. That's how you end up stuck on a platform that cannot integrate with your operations and that cannot integrate with your marketing execution. The right way is to align your platform with your growth plan. Shopify Plus is ideal for high-level growth and automation. BigCommerce shines when it comes to mid-market B2B and API integrations with custom functionalities. And if you're enterprise, you have options for Adobe Commerce Cloud, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, or SAP Commerce Cloud. These enterprise solutions make sense if your entire organization or your entire tech stack or infrastructure actually runs on these technologies. Choosing the right platform is like choosing the foundation for a skyscraper. If you do not build that foundation accurately, you will not be able to go higher. The second system is SEO, GEO, and data infrastructure. This is where most migrations die silently. Without mapping your URLs, your keywords, your category pages, your product pages to the right new infrastructure, you're going to destroy your entire authority. You will lose all your organic search rankings and your AI rankings overnight. But when you pre-plan your migration, when you pre-map all the category hierarchies that you have and you do the 301 redirects in the manner that builds up your authority, you don't run into any one of these challenges. It's like labeling every single box before you move offices. Everything arrives intact and you know exactly where you are making money. That's how you migrate without disappearing from Google or AI search engines overnight. The third system is conversion-focused UX and functionality. Most brands rebuild and migrate without realizing what made the old site convert in the first place. Sticky carts, sticky checkout, trust-building elements, the trust-building badges that you might have, the payment options, the advanced search and filter. What custom functionalities do you have on your old website that need to transfer to the new website? Without preserving those functionalities, you might get a prettier site that actually converts worse. But when you rebuild for conversion, you look at the page speed, you look at the checkout optimization, you look at the different elements of pre- and post-checkout upsells. Not only are you preserving what you were able to do on your old website, but you're improving everything else on the new website. Most business owners do not understand that this is not about migrating to a new platform. It's about designing a better experience for your customers so that you convert better, and that conversion increase actually pays for the cost of your migration. The fourth system is execution and quality control. Most agencies will stop once the new site launches, but the real work actually starts after launch. Without the QA, sandbox testing, and post-launch audits, you don't really know what might be wrong on the new website. You risk 404s, missing links, or broken workflows. But with a full-stack execution, front-end and back-end developers, a graphic designer, QA engineer, a project manager, and a director, you minimize this risk. It's like flying a plane. You don't really celebrate the takeoff, you celebrate the landing. That's how a well-run migration feels seamless to your buyers. Here is the reality. Most migrations do not fail because of bad code. They fail because nobody owns the business logic behind the move. Everybody's working like a bunch of nerds that can only write code, and nobody understands the business applications of the decisions that are being made. So here's how to do it right. 1. Decide what future you are migrating into. Don't migrate to escape pain, migrate to unlock capability. Faster load time, scalable infrastructure, better workflows. Pick your best competitive advantage on the new platform before you even move one file. 2. Quantify what's at stake. Calculate the revenue that's tied to your top 10, top 20, top 50, top 100 pages and products. That's your risk number. If you lose that flow, if you lose the revenue or the conversions that come to those pages, that's how you need to make decisions from a business standpoint. When you attach dollar numbers to data, that's when everybody is going to take this migration seriously. And 3, make the migration a growth initiative, not a maintenance task. You see, a lot of business owners just want the cheapest price when migrating. They go and work with a freelancer for a few $1,000s, risking $1 million business. Don't do that. Treat this like a product launch. Assign an owner, set performance KPIs, set a deadline, build a post-launch optimization plan. Because if you are not improving conversions, if you are not improving your average order value, your lifetime value, what the hell are you migrating for? Do those 3 things and your migration will not only protect your revenue, it will amplify it. Because your platform is not just where you sell, it is the infrastructure that decides how high you can go. Here is how we do it. We pre-map your SEO infrastructure and keyword universe. We have to simply make sure we know where you make money. If we don't know where you make money, which are the most important product pages, category pages, content pages, blog pages, conversion pages, contact us pages, quote pages, we can't do this migration. So if your agency is not asking you these questions, run. We work with a test sandbox server, and everything that we work on that test server, and we send it to you for reviews and approvals, and everything is ready to go. We basically switch your name servers or your DNS settings, and the new website is up. Again, without losing customers, without losing orders. And then this part is very important. We do post-migration audits. Our QA engineers review everything, and we make sure that everything is operating in the right manner. You're not getting any 404s. You don't have a decrease in conversions. All of your pages are indexed. All of your rankings remain. The performance, the speed, the compliance issues are all there. This has to be done. A lot of agencies do not do this. They just launch the site and they disappear. Our job is done. That won't work. This is why you can't do this with a freelancer. Contact us or comment below, and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.